Hey guys, it's actually 23rd January, so I'm quite late that I'm making this video, but I gave my JE, I had my JE exam today, right? So I just wanted to share my experience. Basically, if you ask me, the exam, it wasn't on the easier side. The maths part was really difficult. I could only attempt like 5 questions, whereas maths is one of my strongest subjects. In every single mocks that I had given, I was able to score at least 12. All right, and in this test, I could only score 5, and I was about to, um, panic in the exam hall, but thank God I didn't. I maintained my cool, and I stayed calm, and yeah, I was really scared when I saw that I couldn't attempt more than 5 questions with confidence in the exam hall. Later, when the exam was over, that's when I got to know that every single one, literally every single one of the students was saying that maths was really difficult. Nobody could attempt more than 4 or 5, and a lot of people just marked the options randomly. And yeah, that's it. I mean, that's all for maths. Chemistry was on the average side, I would say. There were a lot of things that came from organic, and although organic is my strong point, I was not able to revise everything thoroughly by this exam, so I couldn't perform my best in chemistry. My physics went fairly good, and I'm expecting that it would be like, obviously it wasn't my best, and I genuinely thought that I would not need to care anymore for mains after this exam, but sadly that is not what happened. I will have to focus on mains 2 again. Most probably I won't be making a lot of videos till April attempt. Some of you may not be aware, but let me clarify that BitSat has been preponed, and because of this I'll need to complete the BitSat syllabus by April as well. For that I'll be using Fodu Club's crash course, which I'm planning to purchase this month. They also mentioned that there might be some offers and discounts after JEE Mains session 1, which is what's happening right now, right? Another last month before BitSat, I'll be giving mock tests, and I'll try to give 8-10 mocks before BitSat. And yeah, that's it. I mean, I don't have much to say. I genuinely wished I could have done better, but I mean, circumstances. I wish that maths wouldn't have been so difficult. On the brighter side, the cutoff might also fall down. In total, I attempted 28 questions. So if you'd ask me, this is what I would sum everything up as. I did 28 questions in total, which isn't much, I know. And maths was really difficult. Chemistry was moderate. Organic was really high weightage. And everything was like reaction mechanism based. There wasn't any single question from GOC, I think, and not even from isomerism. And from the high weightage topic, not many questions came, which is kind of a bummer. But I mean, it's NTA. You can't predict anything when it comes to NTA. And yeah, so but I'm chill also, because I'll be well prepared by April attempt and also for J Advance. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you're interested in my journey, then subscribe.